Hey guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Today we're in the center of Cabarete and I'm going to show you a unit that we have listed exclusively right in the center of town. The building is called Kaya Residences and we have this beautiful place right in town with beautiful surroundings, greenery, and a great unit for Airbnb and the right place maybe for you. So why don't you come on in? So guys, this unit could be yours. It's a second floor, but easy to reach with a large stairs. And as I said, really beautiful surroundings. So I don't know what you're waiting for. So for more information, click on the link here below. Give us a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with all of your friends. Bye.